Hey everyone, it's Brian from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. Now in this video, I'm actually going to show you how to jumpstart the hybrid motor that is the gasoline portion of this car. It does get a little confusing, which is why we want to make sure to explain in detail how to do that. All right, everyone, so taking a look at the Ioniq Hybrid. Now, if we take a look at the motor, now this, because it's a hybrid, it's gonna have both a regular gasoline motor along with an electric motor. Now, sometimes people that just drive a regular gasoline car or that aren't too familiar with certain hybrids, they'll have an actual battery just like any other car located here on this right side. Now, with the new Ioniq Hybrid though, this is not the case. They actually got rid of the battery in order to make more room for other components, but they did leave the positive charge right here in this corner. So if we take a look and we lift this up, it's not gonna be the actual battery, but it'll have the positive charge here located in the left corner. And we did talk to a Hyundai master technician, which told us that we can use this little section to jumpstart the car or the motor if needed. So what we would do is you'd plug it in here to the positive, and then you would use the actual electric battery. They have two components here, two ground components that you can use, and plug in the ground on that side in order to jumpstart the car, and it would work perfectly fine. But we do want to make that very clear because it doesn't actually have a positive, negative, or ground charge like a normal battery would. So that is the very simple and easy way to jumpstart a hybrid Ioniq. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. We appreciate all the love and support that we've gotten. Thank you guys so much.